Howdy guys, welcome back to Easy Cheesy. We're so glad to have you once again with us. I'm Joey, he's Remy, and we're here to show you a very cheesy and delicious recipe. Today's recipe is inspired by Song of the South. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. It's a classic, so I think you're gonna like it. This is a movie where Uncle Remus tells lots of stories about Br'er Rabbit, and we have it right here with us. Br'er Rabbit is a very funny, hilarious, happy-go-lucky prankster. He loves to play pranks on Br'er Bear and Br'er Fox because they're always trying to catch him, but he's just too smart for them, so he always outsmarts them so well. This particular recipe is based in a story of Br'er Rabbit with the tar baby because the recipe looks like the tar that the baby's made of, but it's delicious. It's not disgusting like the tar, literally. If you haven't watched Song of the South, you might recognize Br'er Rabbit from the attraction Splash Mountain from Disney, which is, by the way, one of my favorite attractions. Let us know in the comments, do you like Splash Mountain? If not, which attractions do you like from the Disney parks? Alright, so let's begin with this tar-looking recipe. Woo!
Let's blend the onion, garlic and oil together. Be careful with the bubbling pot. Lower the fire and stir if the foam starts to rise, or it will overflow.
Well, my oh my, don't this recipe look delicious? This recipe makes me so happy. I'm in my laughing place. This wants to make me go zippity-doo-dah, zippity-ay. My oh my, what a fun recipe. Plenty of protein heading my way. Zippity-doo-dah, cheese every day. Don't you think this actually looks like tar? I mean, without the cheese probably, but it has kind of the same consistency. It's like a paste, but it's thick. I wouldn't be surprised if Br'er Fox was behind this recipe.
Ha ha ha! Br'er Rabbit won't escape so easily this time. Ooh, yummy!
Alright guys, if you liked this recipe, please give us a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Click the notifications bell down below to receive all our latest recipes, reviews, and everything else we do on the channel. Also, follow us on social media. We love to hear from you. We can repost your recipes if you make what we make. So definitely go for it. So remember guys, all you gotta say is cheese please, and we'll add a cheesy twist to any recipe. If you have any special requests, please leave them in the comment section below. Also, if you see Br'er Bear or Br'er Fox chasing little Br'er Rabbit, don't worry, he can handle. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.